In this video, we'll be walking through an example of solving an equation that has rational expressions in it. And the process is just like solving an equation that has fractions in it. The first thing we want to do is find the lowest common denominator, and then what we'll do is multiply everything by that lowest common denominator, and that'll get rid of these fractions, these rational expressions. So we have y plus 4 and 2y plus 8. So we could factor that 2y plus 8 as 2 times y plus 4. And over here we have y plus 4. So our lowest common denominator is just 2 times y plus 4. So we're going to multiply through by that entire LCD. So we're not trying to get a lowest common denominator. We're finding that so that we can just multiply through by that. So I'll multiply this by 2 times y plus 4. And over 1, I'm just making it as fraction by just putting it over 1. I'm also going to multiply the 1 by that. So 2 times y plus 4. And of course this fraction as well. 2 times y plus 4. Okay, let's see what happens when we do that. This will get rid of the fraction. So we're going to cross out the y plus 4 factor. We're left with 2 times 6. This we're just going to multiply. This is 2y plus 8, or 2 times y plus 4. Here, the entire factor, y plus 4 and 2, cross out. Remember, 2y plus 8 is just the same as 2 times the quantity y plus 4. So just to show that, this is what we are really canceling. Okay, and that'll just leave us with 5 there. So let's rewrite this and see what that looks like. So 2 times 6 is 12, plus 2y plus 8. That's this part, what I just wrote right here. And now we just have 5 left on the other side of the equation, equals 5. Okay, now it's a simple equation. Let's run through, let's say, clean it up a little bit. 2y plus 20 equals 5. Subtract 20 from each side, and you get 2y equals negative 15. And so you get y equals negative 15 halves. And that's going to be your answer for this problem. I hope that helps.